What's up, guys? We are on location in Vegas today at our buddy Andrew's shop, Reclaim Secrets, and we're going to be fixing some signs that he had done, so stick with us and we'll get on it.
So before we get started, we want to do a real quick shout out and give you guys an idea of what Reclaim Secrets does. The tables and furniture that they build is like second to none. This stuff is so spectacular. You guys got to see what's going on. Well, you can see the slabs behind us and this big, conference table.
The stuff that Andrew and his buddy Mike do are unbelievable, so check this stuff out. Alright guys, so what's going on here is our buddy had somebody order some signs on these beautiful walnut slabs. The problem is he outsourced it and the guy painted this on there. He thought it would be carved, but it just didn't look right. The lines were pixelated on there, it was all done with computer, and the finish did not react well with the paint. So what we're going to do is we're going to follow this layout. Layout's already done. We're going to follow this layout and we're just going to carve it and just do it like we would a regular sign, and then they're going to finish them. So we're going to start off with the profile bit, getting all these sharp lines done. Let's get to it.
So for Dad's sign, he pretty much used the profile for the entire thing. When it came to the real small lines, he just feathered in and out where he needed to. The artwork on this sign is big enough to where he didn't have to go down to the carving liner. Once he was done with the profile, then he just went in with a 60-degree and took out any bigger pieces that he needed to. So my sign was pretty straightforward. I used a really fat profile bit, one that had been ground down quite a bit to take as much of the wood out in one shot that I could. Then once everything was done, I went back with a 60-degree and took out all of the rest. Again, it was super simple. It just took a little while because this walnut is pretty hard.
All right, guys, we got these all done. Super happy with the way it came out. This walnut, actually, if you guys have walnut available, walnut cuts really good. It does dull the router bits fairly fast, but it's nice and consistent. It's not like a hard soft. Anyway, so our part of this is done. Then what they're gonna do is they're gonna go back and fill all this stuff with white epoxy. Can't wait to see what they look like when they get them all done. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much. And again, if you are in and around the Vegas area, you've got to come and see Andrew and Mike over here at Reclaim Secrets. Their stuff is amazing. We so appreciate them. We've been doing business with them for a long time. We love these guys. So if you're in and around the Vegas area, you got to come and see these guys. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please email me, eric@makeawoodsign.com or Ryan@makeawoodsign.com. We love you guys. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.